Zucchini and cheese in a crispy vegetarian snack. Learn how to make cheese zucchini chips with this quick and easy guide brought to you by recipes.net. With a vegetable oil in a deep skillet, preheat the oil to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. In a plastic bag, add the cornflake crumbs, grated Parmesan cheese, salt, and garlic powder. Combine and shake well. In a bowl with beaten eggs, dip and coat the zucchini strips. Place them inside the plastic bag and shake to coat. Deep fry the strips in the skillet until crisp, then serve with some cream cheese sauce. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell to catch more easy and tasty dishes to try at home.